If weeknight dinners are eating up your time, or you're tired of spending hours waiting for tough cuts of meat to finally become tender, this might be the kitchen upgrade you didn't realize you needed. The Presto 8-quart stainless steel pressure cooker promises faster meals, easier cooking, and less stress in the kitchen. But does it actually make everyday cooking simpler, or is it just another bulky appliance collecting dust after a week? Today we're taking a real-world look at the Presto 8-quart stainless steel pressure cooker, a classic stovetop model designed for busy families, meal preppers, and basically anyone who wants homemade food without babysitting a pot for half the evening. And honestly, what makes this one interesting is that it keeps things simple. No digital screens, no confusing presets, no apps to download. Just straightforward pressure cooking that focuses on speed and consistency. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the stainless steel build. It feels solid without being ridiculously heavy, and it definitely gives off that built-to-last vibe compared to cheaper aluminum cookers that start looking worn out after a few months. The polish finish looks clean and modern enough to leave out on the stove, and the tri-clad base is one of those features that actually matters in everyday use because it helps spread heat evenly instead of creating hot spots that burn food. The lid mechanism is also refreshingly simple. There aren't a bunch of buttons or complicated locking systems to figure out. Once the lid seals and pressure builds, the cover lock indicator clearly shows that the cooker is still pressurized, which adds a layer of confidence, especially if you're new to pressure cooking. It's one of those small details that make the whole experience feel less intimidating. In actual cooking performance, this thing is seriously fast. Chicken that normally takes close to an hour comes out tender in minutes, and tougher cuts of beef become soft enough to shred without needing an entire afternoon simmering on the stove. Rice, beans, soups, steamed vegetables. Everything cooks noticeably quicker, but the bigger surprise is how much flavor gets locked in. Food tastes richer because the pressure traps moisture and seasoning instead of letting everything evaporate away. Another thing people underestimate is how much time this saves during cleanup. Since everything cooks in one pot, you're not juggling multiple pans afterward. The stainless steel interior cleans up pretty easily, and being dishwasher safe is a huge plus for busy households. Even after cooking sauces or stews, it doesn't feel like you're scrubbing forever to get clean again. Now, it's important to be realistic here. This is a stovetop pressure cooker, not an electric multi-cooker like an Instant Pot. That means you do need to pay a little attention while cooking, especially when adjusting heat levels to maintain pressure. Some people actually prefer that because it gives more control and usually cooks faster than electric models. But if you want fully automated cooking with timers and presets, this may not be the best fit. The 8-quart size is fantastic for families, batch cooking, or meal prep, but it can feel oversized if you're only cooking for one person every day. Storage space is another thing to consider because this isn't exactly a tiny appliance. Still, if you regularly make soups, stews, stock, rice dishes, or large portions of meat, the larger capacity becomes incredibly useful pretty quickly. Compared to similarly priced stovetop pressure cookers, the Presto stands out because it balances simplicity, durability, and value really well. Some cheaper models feel flimsy or heat unevenly, while premium brands can cost significantly more without dramatically improving everyday cooking results. This one sits comfortably in that sweet spot where it feels dependable without becoming unnecessarily expensive. So, who is this perfect for? Honestly, busy families, home cooks trying to save time, and anyone wanting healthier homemade meals without spending all night cooking will probably get the most value from it. If you love simple kitchen tools that just work reliably for years, this makes a lot of sense. But if you prefer touchscreen controls, delayed timers, or fully hands-off cooking, an electric pressure cooker might fit your routine better. At the end of the day, the Presto 8-quart stainless steel pressure cooker succeeds because it focuses on practical cooking instead of gimmicks. It's fast, durable, easy to use once you get comfortable with it, and surprisingly versatile for everyday meals. If saving time in the kitchen while still making flavorful homemade food sounds appealing, this is definitely one worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that actually help you decide before buying. And if you want to check current pricing or read more about the Presto 8-quart pressure cooker, the link is waiting for you down in the description.